So today was a very interesting day as the dollar just continued to trend lower. And by trending lower, we do have the dollar underneath the last 2 weeks open, and the dollar also ended up trending down towards the top of February's lows as far as February's open. And so with that, with this downtrend, we do have potential support around that 103,750 area. That is the same area that we talked about before. The minutes came out today as being the area that does need to continue to hold. We do have potential bearish news expected to come in tomorrow with the services and manufacturing numbers of S&P numbers coming in tomorrow at 9:45. So we will be on watch for that report. And as that report comes in, and if the dollar does trend down on that report, then we will have the dollar potentially testing that 103,750 area. If the news is actually a beat, we could get the dollar to trend back up to 104.25. And if it does get back up to 104.25, we could see a potential breakout here of this downward trend that the dollar has been in. We also see from the UC idea that this one is losing the support that it has had continually. And so we'll see if this one opens up in the same way tomorrow. It did lose the major wild card area here. So that is a very important area for it as far as that was lost today. And then we also have for the GU idea, again, this one is continuing to make those higher lows, continual higher lows. The next area for it before testing that resistance is going to be 126,500. So we'll see if that comes in tomorrow. As well as for the euro is expecting bullish news. So this would be a fresh new breakout of this trend for the EU idea. The next level above, we will be looking at 108,500. So that will be the next level above if we do get this breakout here on the report that we have for the euro coming out with their numbers. Also, we have for the AU idea, again, this one has been trending sideways more neutrally than the NU idea. But what we have here is we have this one trending right around the minor wild card of 65,500. And so around this area, if we get bullish news for the dollar, we could see a potential trend test here, as well as a test of the minor quarter above at 65,750. We also have for the NU idea. The NU idea is continuing to be on a beam. We asked for 62 already. We keep getting closer and closer. Here we got 61,978, and then here we got 61,985. We're getting closer and closer to that 62 that we asked for at the top of the week. We said that 62 is next. We're getting closer and closer to it. Tomorrow could be the day that we get 62. And last but not least, we have the UJ idea. Again, this is a fresh break, which is why it's right on top of this trend line and looking to continue upward. The very next stop for this idea, if we do get bullish news in the morning, is going to be 157.50. If we do not get bullish news, we can see this one come back down, test weekly open. And if it does lose weekly open, then we'll see that come back down towards the 150 area, that major quarter 150 area. So that's what we're looking at for tomorrow and going into tomorrow. Please feel free to ask any questions that you guys may have about any of these trade ideas or other trade ideas as well.